Welcome to Fuzzy Fin Playroom!
Woohoo! Let's do it again!
Hi guys! Today I'm very excited because I want to surprise Fuzzy with a trampoline for his playroom. But I'm gonna need your help so Fuzzy doesn't find out. As I can see, Fuzzy is madly amused at the castle slide, and we will use this moment to prepare all the material we need for this build. For starters, on one piece of paper, I will draw what I want it to look like Fuzzy new trampoline. Okay, this is going to be the part to jump on. This is the part which will hold jumping pad. Now I draw the supporting legs on which the entire structure will rest on. Finally, for Fuzzy's safety, I will add a safety net, and it will be held by these elements. And here will be a safety net. And it's done! Let's check what Fuzzy is doing.
This is so much
As he enjoys, this is a great moment to continue. Let's go! We have to start cutting cardboard. I have a feeling Fuzzy will be here soon, so let's get started. With your help, this will be over in no time. Firstly, I will need a compass. Please, can you pass me? Thank you. Now I need a ruler and a pencil. Thank you. Be careful with the compass, because on one side there is a part that is very sharp. Insert the sharp part into the cardboard and carefully turn the compass clockwise, like this. This part we will cut and replace with an elastic fabric. We could make a sandwich with this fresh cardboard and a tasty fabric. Delicious. I'm just kidding, but I'm feeling hungry. Woohoo! Excellent!
This is so high! Hello! Ouch! Oof! My head!
Ooh, poor Fuzzy. But I think he's fine. Quick, let's move on. Since Fuzzy has been playing for quite some time, he might come soon. So we will continue with the magic. With the snap of fingers, I'll add 2 more pieces. What do I need?
I'm so thirsty. I have to drink water.
Was that Fuzzy speaking? Oh my, I had to use magic. Fuzzy's coming.
Hey, Mr. Alex, I'm very thirsty. Can you give me a glass of water, please?
Oh, hey Fuzzy. Of course, right away. Here, Fuzzy, I brought you a glass of water. Be careful, don't spill yourself. Whoa, you're so thirsty.
Oh yes, I was. Thank you.
You've been playing for a long time. Is it fun?
Yes, I adore this slide. It's perfect. But why are you here and not playing with me?
I have to finish something. I'll be there soon.
Okay. I will go now.
Phew, he almost discovered us. Fuzzy will probably play a little more. We have to finish the trampoline quickly.
Just to take some sprinkles.
With this tool, you can punch a hole through this cardboard. Now I need a ruler. Thank you. I'll take a pencil too. And now I'm going to mark where the hole will be. Now use your muscles. For other holes, I will use magic. Shake them a little and puff. Do you remember this trick from the previous video? Check it out here. Just watch these circles, how will blend themselves into this cardboard. Slowly turning them up and down like this. We have cut out middle circle and now the side stripe. This is amazing! These are the supporting legs which will hold the whole structure. Now, with the help of magic, we will make them green. Magic is awesome! Let's connect these two beams into one strong beam. They will hold a safety net. You remember from the drawing? It's magic time. Just shake them a little and voila! It is time to surprise Fuzzy. Hey Fuzzy, come over here please.
Here I come.
Huh?
What is this, Mr. Alex? What is under the cover?
We have prepared a surprise for you.
What? A surprise? Really? For me? Whoa, can I see what it is? Pretty please.
Of course you can. This is a gift for you and your playroom. This is what I was doing for a whole day with our friends. I hope you will like it. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1.
Wow! Trampoline! Yeehaw! Thanks, Mr. Alex! Thanks! I am overjoyed!
I'm so glad that you like it.
Hey, Mr. Alex! I would really like to try a trampoline now! Please! I cannot wait!
Come, Fuzzy, carefully, step by step. Okay? Now turn around. Okay, like that.
This is so cool!
Just to close the net and you're ready to go.
Woohoo! Woohoo!
Okay, mister, it is enough for the first time. We have to go. Say bye to our friends.
Okay, buddy.
Can I jump one more time, please? Okay, but hurry up.
Hey, buddies! I really wasn't expecting this, and I'm thrilled with this new toy. Thanks to everyone who helped Mr. Alex in planning this surprise. Please subscribe to the channel, like this video, and expect new and exciting adventures next week. Until then, love you all and see you!
See you!
Bye bye!